Thanks for joining us on Valley News Live. Beautiful skies out there. Temperature's not too bad, and it doesn't feel bad because that wind is not terrible out there as we head into our Thursday night. Now, if you are heading out and about, it's not hot. It's a 3-degree temperature out at Hector International. Morehead's Airport, often different. That is outside of town. It's 1 degree there. We can sometimes see significant differences, even over a few short blocks, as you've noticed by driving through town with your thermometer in your car. 5 to 15 below for wind chills at this hour as we take a look across the region. Right now, not too bad, but it doesn't take a lot of wind as our temperatures will fall quickly this evening. From these digits that are 9 in Fergus Falls, that's the hot spot. 3 in Roseau, 4 in Devils Lake and Jamestown. You have 5 whole degrees. Compare that with the nation. Look at the cold air. Hutch's white line here helps you see exactly where the freezing line is. It's all the way down into the northern parts of Arizona, New Mexico, southern Texas. Look at Dallas right now, 29 degrees in Dallas. As we look up towards New York City, it's freezing or close to it there as well. Factor in the warm air clashing with that cold air, and we have some mixed precipitation continuing to work its way through the Ohio River Valley, and that snow we talked about yesterday spreading from just off to the east of Chicago near South Bend all the way up to Minneapolis. So if you are traveling to the south and east of Fargo, you'll run into some flakes and possibly some slippery road conditions here or there. In fact, there were a few on the I-29 corridor showing up lightly earlier. Hour by hour forecast shows that system stays to our south and the clouds do as well. For us, once we hit sunset, the temperatures will fall fairly quickly back down to below zero, 5 to 15 below as we head toward the 9 o'clock hour. Then as we go through the overnight, air temperatures once again between 15 and 25 below. Notice the coldest temperatures will be sliding off to the east just a bit out there. And the winds not too strong, but we will still have wind chills. First thing in the morning, 15 to 35 below outdoors. So bundle up your bus riders and cover up exposed skin, which can freeze in 15 minutes or less with temperatures like that. The one difference tomorrow, sunny but breezy. That means wind chilly all day, even though the thermometers will rise to warmer temperatures than today. Many of us from the Red River Valley and points west will enjoy 10 to maybe even 15 degrees in parts of Stutsman County. Similarly, 5 to 15 degrees across central Minnesota. But the breeze, 15 to 25 miles per hour across the area at times, and that's going to keep that chill in the air. A few clouds here and there as we go through your afternoon, but by and large, it looks like a quiet day and not as cold because those south winds do continue into the overnight hours, and that'll have impacts on your Saturday. We'll show you in a moment. 15 below in Fargo to start out, about 25 to 30 below for a wind chill first thing in the morning. Then as we go through the midday hour, your lunch temperature 3 above, 9 your afternoon temperature after work. We'll see a couple of clouds drifting overhead and temperatures slowly falling but remaining above zero the way things look now for most of the evening, and maybe even steady to climbing into your Saturday. So we'll be keeping our eyes on it. Who else would you rather have do that? Here's a shot from a boreal owl, New York Mills. Sierra, thanks for your shot. Now look at your forecast. Look at this. Temperatures steady to slowly rising into Saturday morning, 27 degrees on a beautiful start to the weekend. It will be cooler on Sunday. Next week, we're watching for a start to the week that will be in the 20s still, but a chance of some light snow that carries into Tuesday, the first day of spring. Yeah, meteorological spring out there. Temperatures not far from 30 degrees, and we stay pretty mild as well. Notice average temperatures 26, average or above as we go through the middle of next week, Stacy. And I don't think we'll see anything green on the ground out there, but I thought it looked nice on my 7-day forecast. So we plopped that on there with our plopping abilities.
Very scientific term.
Yeah,
All right,
exactly.
thanks, Hutch.
You bet.
Well, as a reminder, with some warmer days ahead, if we experience any melting, the roads will be slick. You don't want this to happen. In Vermont, a state trooper was helping a family with trouble on the road when a driver loses control on the icy road and flips. 2 young children were okay, but officials say the driver was hurt. He or she was not wearing a seatbelt and was ejected. Well,